Hey everyone, today I have an amazing, incredible application that lets you make money doing absolutely nothing at all. All you have to do is install the application and it'll run on your lock screen. It'll replace your lock screen with its own lock screen, and using that, it'll just earn you points automatically as long as you have the lock screen function enabled. But before I show you guys this incredible opportunity, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, so the app I want to show you guys today, as you can see here in the top left corner of my screen, is called ScreenStash. Now, this is a pretty new application. I believe it came out today. So you can see when you first open it up, you'll be brought to this home screen. After you make your account, it'll give you a bit of a tutorial of how the lock screen works. But after that, you'll be brought to this screen and you can see the number of points that you have earned. So as you can see, I have gotten 72,144 points. Now let me show you just how much that really is. So let me go here, and you have different options when you want to redeem your points. So you can either redeem for PayPal, you can redeem for a gift card, or you can actually send your points to another application by the company that made this app, which is called Apps That Pay. And I've shown quite a few of their apps before because they have really great applications, and I recommend that you check them out for sure. So you can do that and send it to a different app, and you can add up, or you can combine the points you've earned from a different app with the points you've earned from this app and get a larger gift card. So if you have like 10,000 points in, say, I don't know, Fish for Money, and you add the 70,000 that I've gotten here, then you're gonna have 80,000 points, and you can maybe get like an $80 gift card or whatever the conversion rate is for that app. So that's really cool, and I will show you that feature later. But first, let me show you how much this is worth in PayPal. So as you saw, I have 72,000 points, and that would give me over $50 in PayPal, because you can see here $50 in PayPal is worth 54,000 points. So that would leave me with 18,000 points, and I'll almost be able to get a $15 redemption for PayPal. So in total, that's about $65, which is really amazing for an app that you don't have to do anything for, essentially. And then you can also redeem for gift cards. They have different options here. They have Google Play Store, they have Amazon, and they have Walmart. And I believe the conversion rates are the same for all of them. So yeah, they are. And yeah, so if you prefer gift cards over PayPal, you can do that as well. But what I want to show you guys is the redemption via Apps That Pay. So I want to transfer my points. And I've shown you guys all of these apps before. So I want to do Zap Surveys. And if you guys recall, Zap Surveys is an app that lets you take surveys and just make money by doing surveys. And you can also donate them to charity if you'd like. So it also has that that social justice cause as well. So let me redeem here, and it asks what's the email associated with my Zap Surveys account. So let me type that in. Okay, and now all I have to do here, you can see it says at the top that my current point value of 72,000 points will be transferred to my Zap Surveys account, and let's confirm this. And there you go, it says successfully redeemed. And let me show you guys my point balance in Zap Surveys, so you can see like the before and after of the transfer. So let's go into Zap Surveys, and you can see here that the transfer did work, and my balance is now $73.83 on Zap Surveys. And let me just go through this app real quick just to remind you guys of what it is about in case you want to try it out yourself. So you can do research, tap research surveys, which are high paying surveys, and for every $1 you make, they actually donate 20 cents to charity. You can do Peanut Labs, where you can get rewarded and make a donation to stop child starvation. You can do Pollfish, which also will allow you to donate, and Location Rewards, which are spontaneous rewards that reward you for being in places that they want you to be in. So yeah, there's that. If you guys want to download this app, I will be putting the link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And one last thing, now that I've transferred the points from ScreenStash to Zap Surveys, let me just cash out. So I want to cash out on PayPal and finish cash out. Now look at that, see? Now all my points are gone, and I should be expecting $72 in my PayPal account in the near future. So there's that. And I know for sure that Apps That Pay is a very trustworthy company. They've always paid me every single time, so you can expect to receive your money once you cash out. Now let me go back to ScreenStash and show you guys how the lock screen function works and how you can actually earn points using the app. So let me go back there now. Alright guys, so now we're back on ScreenStash on my other phone, and let me just show you how it works. So when you go to ScreenStash, once again you can see my points are now 0. You're gonna go here and you can customize your lock screen. So you can add the time, the weather, the date, you can add camera access, flashlight, and you can also do tap and earn. So this is where it's a little more active. You have to actually tap on the screen to earn points, but it's additional points you can make, and you don't have to do it. You can still earn points without doing this tap and earn. And you can also choose a theme. Sorry, you can choose a theme that you want. So yeah, just like the background, whatever you like. And let me just go here and just give you the about. So basically here it says you'll get paid to have your own customized lock screen with a news feed, and your points will be updated every hour. And once again, you can redeem them for cash, gift cards, or transfer your credit to your favorite Apps That Pay applications. So now let me show you my lock screen and just show you how you can earn points. So let me bring it up real quick. Alright, so now here you can see my lock screen is different than like the normal lock screens, because you can see like there's a little video here, and there's also, as I said, there's like the camera access, the flashlight, there's the date, the time, and then if you swipe left you can search. If you swipe right, it'll unlock your phone. And yeah, so this is just like a little ad that they'll have on the screen. Obviously they need some ads to be able to pay you, so you can just ignore them. You don't have to do anything with them, and they're not really intrusive at all, since you're just going to be unlocking your phone anyway, and you're going to see them for like, what, a second at most. So yeah, and if you want to earn extra points, you can go here to this tap and earn, and it just says swipe away from the icon. So there you go, and you can do different things like Fiber. Unfortunately they don't have any offers right now, but if they did, that would be there. And you can also do Peanut Labs, which are the typical survey app that many different money-making applications use. And when you do that, you can see here you can earn actually a lot of points. Like if you do this subscribe to Hulu, you can get almost 7,000 points, which is a good amount of money, like over $5. So there you go, and you can do many different surveys and offers here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this app. All you have to do is